In today's video, I'm going to teach you manual replacement via character panel. This is a quick, reliable way to change the font of your text directly, and it's perfect when you want full control over which typeface is used. I'll walk you through the essentials, explain what each action does, and share a few helpful tips so you can get consistent results every time. Start by selecting the text you want to update. If you want to change an entire text object at once, use the selection tool, which you can access by pressing V on your keyboard. Click the text frame to select it. If you only want to change a specific word or phrase within a text block, switch to the type tool by pressing T, then click inside the text and drag to highlight just the portion you want. The key idea here is that whatever is selected is what will change, so full frame selection affects everything in that object, while a highlighted range affects only that range. Next, open the character panel. If you don't see it on your screen, go to the top menu and choose Window, then Type, and then Character. This opens the panel that controls the appearance of your text at the character level. It's different from the paragraph panel, which manages alignment and spacing for entire paragraphs. The character panel is where font selection happens, so keep it visible as you work. Now, in the character panel, find the font family dropdown. Click it and choose the new font you want to apply. You can scroll through the list or start typing the font's name to filter quickly. This dropdown controls the typeface itself, the overall design of the letters, so selecting a new family will immediately change the look and tone of your text. If you're updating only part of a sentence, you'll see that just the highlighted portion changes. If you selected the whole text object earlier, the entire block will update at once. You'll notice the selected text updates instantly as soon as you pick a different font. That's all there is to the manual replacement. Select your text, open the character panel, choose a font, and see the change right away. If a font you expect isn't listed, it may not be installed on your system. In that case, pick a similar alternative. And as a best practice, double check your document after the change for spacing or line breaks that may look different with the new typeface. That's the complete process for manual replacement.